What's up, Callie? What's up? Isn't she the most beautiful dog in the world, guys? Callie, look at the camera. Oh, don't knock me over. Wait, hey, get down, get down, get down. All right, for us to tackle this project, we're gonna need one of these catchers. Then we're gonna need a Torx bits. I believe it's a T15. So we're gonna need that to take that off. And then we're gonna need a 22 millimeter. Put it on our impact. You could use an extension if you want to. The other studs are 15 millimeters, I believe. Then we're gonna need our thermostat. Obviously, we can't do anything unless we have our thermostat. It's 160 from Livernois. That's not the price. That's actually the thermostat. When it starts to open, it's actually like $58, $60, somewhere around that neighborhood. Then we're gonna need some of our ratchets and everything. This is gonna make life a lot simpler. Then we're also gonna need a jack, wooden block, some standard fare tools just in case we don't have everything we need. And obviously you need patience and go ahead and tackle this job. And first we gotta start off from the bottom. So let's go ahead and tackle that stuff, guys. Show you guys exactly how it's gonna go in. So the vent is gonna go at a 12 o'clock position. So that's like literally here. And then the O-ring is gonna go on top. So let's go ahead and put this thermostat in. All right, guys, so my brother, as you always know, he works at Ford. He showed me a quicker way to move this power steering reservoir.
What's that?
Not power steering. God dang it, don't correct me, damn it. Anyways, the coolant reservoir. I don't know why I said power steering.
I got a lot to endure. There ain't no stopping the storm.
Hey man, we don't want to see the intro.
I got a burning question for some of my subscribers. Is life random or is it predetermined? Is it ironic that, or is it a coincidence that you make a how-to video, but then you don't know how to fix what you just fucked up? Is it wrong for me to feel like I just want to give up on this whole entire project because I failed? Man, I tell you what, I must have pissed off the right person, the right guy, the car guys. I don't know who I pissed off, but man, I just got nothing but bad luck. I was trying to do a how-to video, guys, about how to do the thermostat for the Ford Edge. Actually, I have it right over here. So here's the old thermostat. I went ahead and replaced it and everything, but I just always run into some kind of issue. I'm gonna actually put this down in the truck. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on real quick. So you see the truck's jacked up. Actually, I'll lift this up. Still got some tools down here, but you know, I removed the throttle body tubing or whatnot, the coolant reservoir. I removed the engine mount. I still have a plastic bag right here. There's the new thermostat right there, as you can see. But the issue that we're having is that I accidentally stripped those holes some kind of way, cross-threaded, but now I need to chase the threads and do some other stuff. But I'm gonna run the Ford. We're gonna go ahead and go grab a couple new bolts, so for when we do it, we start off fresh. So I'll see you guys when I get back to Ford, okay? All right, so I have the two new bolts here. They look perfectly fine. Here's the old bolt. I mean, they look okay as well, but you know, it doesn't hurt to start off new when we do chase the threads. I got about 8 turns down at the bottom and about 6 turns at the top, so I'm pretty sure it's that one at the top that's messing with us. That's the reason why it wouldn't sit properly. Or maybe I should have just started on this Fusion thermostat for a how-to video, since it's a lot easier. All you gotta do is just drain the coolant, remove 3 of these bolts right here. There's not a video on YouTube about that, so I'm probably gonna order this thermostat if the camera will ever focus. But yeah, I'll probably do a video about this one since it's a bit easier and we won't run into nowhere near as issues as we were running on this one. So this is pretty much all my fault for this one. So I gotta find some kind of mobile mechanic because I can't drive my Edge right now. So now we're just pretty much sitting here with the jack holding the engine up. We have the engine mount out. Of course, as you saw, the thermostat's just sitting there. We removed the tubing for the throttle body. We did install the blowover valve and everything, so but I can't crank the engine up obviously and let you guys hear how that sounds, so it'll have to be in a later video, guys, for when we do that. I am kind of sad because I won't be able to drive it and test everything out. But I do have more performance mods coming, namely springs. Then I have an exhaust. But guys, please stay tuned and everything. Please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a comment, guys. Thank you.